Hey everybody, I'm Extreme today with you, and today I'm going to share with you how to use tampon during swimming. Method 1. Putting in your tampon. Number 1. Insert your tampon as you normally would. Number 2. Make sure you are comfortable. Method 2. Swimming with a tampon. Number 1. Choose the right bathing suit. Number 2. Carefully tighten the tampon string. Number 3. Don't wear pantyliners. Number 4. Wear shorts when you get out of the pool. Number 5. Change your tampon a bit more frequently if it's needed. And finally, number 6. Enjoy your swimming.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share many more times, and if you have any question or which type of video you prefer, mention in the comment section. Thank you.